Meaning of ice skate.
Ice skate.
Ice skate.
Ice skate.
Ice skate. Ice skate refers to a type of footwear designed for gliding over ice. Ice skates usually consist of a boot with a blade attached to the bottom, which allows the wearer to move smoothly and quickly across frozen surfaces. They are commonly used for recreational activities such as ice skating and ice hockey, as well as for professional figure skating competitions. Ice skating can also provide a great cardiovascular workout and improve balance, flexibility, and coordination. Overall, ice skating is a fun and exciting way to stay active during the colder months and enjoy the beauty of winter.